Hello guys, Emmanuel from Geekception here and hope you are doing awesome today. Now today I shall be doing the camera test of the Xiaomi Redmi 5. Let's begin. And welcome back guys. Now this is going to be a quick camera test of the Redmi 5. Now as for usual hardware, on the front you have the camera there. Going on to the back is a singular camera and an LED flash, and that's basically it for hardware. When it comes to software, it's the standard Xiaomi software here. Nothing different. I mean, if you're used to Xiaomi, you pretty much know how it looks like here. Rather than talk too much, here are some of the photos and videos I took from the Redmi 5. Actually, not me. Taufik, aka Kawaii Guy, took half of them, and I took half of them. Enjoy.
Hello guys, this is the night camera test for Redmi 5
And this is the front camera video test of the Redmi 5.
night back camera test, is that right? Of Redmi 5.
Heading back home. It's in the evening right now.
I'm showing you guys how the front camera is Redmi 5 at the night time.
And I have no idea how the audio is going to be. I have no idea if it's going to pick up all the sound.
Yeah, just walking around, show you guys around.
You probably cannot see, but it's like very nice clouds, but it is blown out here.
Let us know how it is
Down below. And welcome back guys. That has basically been the photos and videos taken with the Redmi 5 here. What do you think about the photo and video quality? Let me know in the comment section down there below. As for me, I would say in bright light or in good lighting conditions, I would say it actually manages to turn out well. In fact, I'm pretty surprised. But the moment the light goes down, you can get blurry photos, both selfies and the back camera, as well as a lot of noise, and it's not that sharp. Anyways, for the Redmi 5, which is a budget device, what do you think? Let me know in the comment section down there below. Huge shout out to Taufik, who helped me shoot half of this. Anyway, that's basically been it. If you like what I do here, you can support me via my Patreon. Links in the description down there below. And even more importantly than liking this video, disliking video, or subscribing, please make sure you take care of your awesome, amazing self. I am kind of in a rush because I have my final year project and I have like some projects and so many things to do. Anyways, hope you've really enjoyed this video. I shall catch you lovely, awesome, amazing person next time. Don't forget to be awesome. Bye.